Shigar Fort, a historic heritage hotel in Pakistan located in the town of Shigar. Graced by the extreme beauty of Baltistan's Karakoram mountain range and 4 centuries of folklore and legends, Shigar Fort is a one-of-a-kind heritage boutique hotel situated within a peaceful natural setting. Seek refuge and find adventure in a 400-year-old fort and the 17th-century palace of the Raja of Shigar, which, along with the more recently added Old House and Garden House, encompass 20 rooms and suites steeped in Balti culture. The fort has been restored by Aga Khan Cultural Service Pakistan (AKCSP). Building was designed by Mubashir Hassan. He is also designer Brosi School of Shigar. After restoration, the fort was converted to a museum and luxury hotel managed by Serena Hotels. The restoration process took place from 1999 to 2004. The original fong khar was founded on top of a platform which rises 5 meters from the ground. Hassan Khan brought a variety of artisans, goldsmiths, carpenters, stone carvers, and textile weavers from Kashmir to Shigar to build his fort palace. This resulted in a blend of Kashmiri-influenced carving and details with local Balti architecture, one of the unique features which make fong khar a significant historical and architectural treasure. Shigar Fort Hotel. Ancient mountain landscapes, stunning views and the ambience of a 400-year-old fort palace set are 15 rooms and 5 suites among Pakistan's most serene and timeless sanctuaries. Originally the Raja's royal summer quarters, this non-smoking suite features 1 king bed, an adjoining sitting area, char-e-nashin, and an airy, hanging wooden latticework balcony. Decorated in period antiques with a splendid view of the Shigar stream, the room is appointed with a working desk, 1 exquisite bathroom and a powder room. It is not known when this decorative square pool, the central feature of the garden, was built, or what its initial appearance was like. Early in the 20th century, a pavilion was built on the central platform of the pool by Raja Muhammad Adam Khan, the father of the present Raja Muhammad Ali Sabah. The Raja's public mosque is a handsome and ornate building adjacent to the entrance to the complex and is of significant antiquity and artistic value. It is similar in form and ornament to other mosques in the Shigar area, a single 4-bayed room with a central column support and a veranda on the eastern side.